Hello, my name is Mr. Hagan and I am the co-UCAS coordinator here with my colleague.
Hi, I'm Mr. Scott. I'm also co-UCAS coordinator.
And we've both got lots of experience over many years in terms of preparing students for university applications. But at Lingfield College, we encourage students to have a wide range of options. So we work closely with our careers specialists to make sure that the student has got plenty of options and they're on the right path. And how that works at Lingfield College is that in Year 12, the students are given a range of electronic resources and they're very intensive, as well as they're given steps within their form group with their tutor to start exploring what careers and what university courses might suit them best. So it's quite a light approach at first into Year 12 with a philosophy of think first, think early, but keep an open mind and decide later on. But then as Year 12 continues, they'll be popping into drop-in sessions that are available all year to ask any questions that they've got, as well as utilising the talks that go on and those electronic resources. But we have a UCAS day in particular in June, which is a whole day dedicated to helping them find the course that's right for them and start to devise a personal statement, as well as many other things as well. And that really gets them using Unifrog, which is a great resource that we have in addition to the other electronic resources to help students to actually get up-to-date, cutting-edge information, talk to employers, etc. Then we also take them to the UCAS convention, which is at different locations, but that's a really great opportunity for them to talk to the universities direct and meet students and representatives from the university to actually talk to them. We also nudge them throughout the year towards various specialist topics. For instance, we have an Oxbridge expert within the school, as well as a medicine, veterinary sciences expert, and plenty of other teachers with expertise. Myself, for instance, as an ex-solicitor, I'm kind of the law expert within the sixth form team as well. And then we go on to Year 13.
Yes, so in Year 13, students are placed into new form groups with a subject specialist. So that's really aiming to kind of support them in their application for university once they become more settled and firm on what they want to study when they go up in their final year. So they'll get subject specialist advice to kind of help them cater their application and write their personal statement. And it becomes quite an intensive few months of lots of drafts and feedback, and that's a really active process with the tutors. When they're finally happy, they click submit and their application comes through to me, and I kind of do a final check of all their spelling and grammar and just make sure that it's the best that it can be before it finally gets sent off. As we progress through Year 13, they go through a few more mocks and we have conversations about kind of firming up their choices in terms of what they want their firm and conditional choices on their applications to be before they go off.
Yeah, and that does make us realise that parents also have a key role to play, not just in supporting students, but because we recognise that the UCAS day itself in Year 12 is something that is also a UCAS evening where parents get invited to, so that they know about those things in Year 13, for instance, that you've just described. And just finally, we are largely focused on applying to UK universities, but we have a wealth of information and some knowledge in applying for universities in other countries. We've had a few students go through the US route, which is very intensive and starts quite early in Year 12, but there are steps involved and resources available to help students through that process as well. So it's quite a broad range of things that we take them through. But they're the main key steps from a UCAS point of view, and we're really proud of pointing our students in the direction that we think is best for them. We don't have targets for students necessarily applying to only Russell Group or Oxbridge courses. We've had students that have turned down offers from Loughborough to go to institutes like Lincoln because the course was perfect for them. So our ethos is really about picking what's best for the student and helping them get there.